Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture of tree, adjust the tree, remove the background, so the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture. Then so the shape option, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, set the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, remove the background, set the erase color, adjust the color. Then select the text option, edit by written, select the size option, adjust the size, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save, confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.